this review we're gonna take a look at Cubot X20 Pro, a Chinese phone that has very good quality and very cheap price. You can do dual SIM, or you can put one SIM and one micro SD card for extra memory. It has 8-core processor and it gives you performance like a middle-class flagman phone. So I'm thinking that this phone is no worse than the other one, even though the brand is not super famous. If you want to know a little bit more about it, stay till the end and watch a full review. Thank you. Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is my channel Cubot Tech. Welcome. Today we're gonna take a look at this phone, Cubot X20 Pro. It's a Chinese phone. Cubot is a Chinese brand, but still they give very nice quality on their phones and of course amazing price. They're super cheap. Let's check now. You saw a little bit the slow-mo in the beginning. Let's unpack it. We see the phone here coming up with a special case, knowing that the Chinese brands are normally giving case always with the phone. That's why we put it to protect the back. Unless that, the back looks pretty beautiful. I will show it to you. It's creamy, goldenish, pinkish color, very beautiful one. It's with Android 9 Pie, the operational system. It has MediaTek Helio P60 Octa-core processor, 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen, IPS panel, and 4 cameras, one on the front 13 megapixel and 3 on the back, 20, 12 and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. This phone has unlimited opportunities for personalization and very cool photography that you will notice yourself. On the box we notice the very nicely written quick start guide. I actually, guys, respect people who make beautiful quick start guides. Here you have everything from A to Z with explanations how to use the camera, how to make a call, how to do messaging. It's a very nice quick guide with pictures, how to play music, basically everything. Intelligent keyboard, very nice. On the box we find a special thank you card and compliance regulation. You can use the phone with dual SIM or with one SIM and one internal storage card. 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage this phone has, which makes it very good for gaming. I think an octa-core processor and that specifications good. It's around $120–$130. You can even find it even cheaper than that. In the box we see the needle for the SIM card and the USB Type-C cable. Basic phone. Something that I don't see is if there is earplugs, but no, there is not, because on the phone itself there is no audio jack, which I consider a negative feature, because you will see yourself that the speaker is not the best quality, especially when you speak on the phone. You will notice that later on. The interface is Android 9 Pie. It's pretty basic. The brightness of the screen is not super bright. Maybe you will have some problems if there is sun outside. Let's try it on PUBG Mobile. Here you can see close view to the interface. It's normal Android 9 Pie interface. Tilting screen, alarm, everything, quick access to your applications from here. You can close them. It's normal phone, I would say, nothing special considering interface. The specialty, they say that their camera is very good. There is even tutorials around YouTube about all of the modes of the camera. I will try it and I'll put pictures and videos for you of the different settings of the camera. You can see the artificial intelligence software of the camera gives you a lot of opportunities to make amazing photos. There is a portrait mode also called bokeh here, which is the other name, and blurs the screen behind you. You can choose how much. Here you can see the bokeh effect selfie that I just did. Every camera has a bokeh effect. These days it's just a must. Now what is left? To check the camera and to play PUBG Mobile. We saw that phone being very good choice for people who really are short on cash and they don't have enough money. This is X20 Pro by Cubot. Camera good, settings good, PUBG Mobile it can play on high settings, even though there is little lag sometimes, but you know that MediaTek are not the best at processor, even though they still put Octa-core here. Pretty decent phone for its price, I would say. The only thing that I didn't like is the speaker. Let me just show you the speaker before we end this review for good. You will get disappointed by the speaker, but this is not a speaker, it's a phone after all. That's the maximum, guys. Even though there is a stereo speaker from both sides and the audio jack is missing. Disappointing. So, that's the end of this review. You can check a link down in the description from where to purchase this phone. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And Cubot!